I'll go through all those alerts today. So we were talking about the short-term energy trade that was there today. You know, we can look at a bunch of these names. This Matador, MTDR, began to break out that 48. Very nice there. ROCC, really tight consolidation. This began to break out. We bought that one through 32. What else? FANG, this is the trade of the week. This began to get going today. Trigger was 136-ish for that one. That one's off to a nice start. OAS, here's another one. Off those lows. Trigger was that 129 right there. So you can see all these oil names that pulled in, they're looking pretty good. MGY, this was a great one. I saw Mai had this one. Shouts out to Mai. Through that, what was that area? That 2150 area. Off to a nice start. COP. I was gonna make this the trade of the week, but I chose FANG over the consolidation was a little bit tighter, but you know that one had the strength as well. CPE, this is the one I traded today. All I did with this name was I bought it and sold into the strength. You know, it looks like it goes higher. The consolidation's really great. I just I'm just looking for singles and doubles in this market. That was a nice little single I hit today. And the CLR was another one off support. Right through this 53 area. So the alerts are popping today. Those short-term oil trades are really working out to start the week at least.